Welcome to the ClearCap Installation Guide. Here we will show you how to properly install your ClearCap forklift cover so you can enjoy working outside again. To begin, follow these two easy steps in order to select the correct model of ClearCap. First, measure the width and length of your forklift's overhead guard. Once you have the dimensions of your overhead guard, locate the nameplate and note the make and model of your forklift. When the ClearCap arrives, be sure to verify it correctly fits. Do this before removing the protective film in case you need to return it. Note that the ClearCap should not be stood on and also should be removed during over-the-road transportation. Installation is simple, as the ClearCap comes with 4 easy-to-use nylon straps. Once all the straps are attached and tightened, the ClearCap is ready to be used.